Yo, 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 what is up, guys? And welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reacting to Jelly Roll, Sons of a Sinner. And yeah, this is a new artist. I searched it up on New to Me on YouTube, and this is what came up. So, Jelly Roll, Son of a Sinner, let's check it out. Enough talking. Just want to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it up on top of the video around somewhere around here. So, yeah, give me a follow. Recommend me some songs in the comment descriptions below. And send me a message on Instagram as well. So, let's get straight into it. Oh, this is my first time hearing this guy as well, so I'm not sure how it's gonna go.
I never get lonely. I got these goals to keep me company. I took the rear view off of this so forward, so I only see in front of me. Now the past is out of sight and out of mind.
Hear the metaphors. Okay.
Swore I'd change, now I'm back chasing these white lines.
White lines.
I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the house.
So from what I'm getting so far from the beginning is almost like what every man goes through, like always being alone. And white lines, is that about what I know, what I think it is? Because if it is, that's tough, because a lot of people do that. And a lot of people feel alone. And I like how it's transitioning over to like different men going through the same thing, the same cycle. Perfect.
If you ever wonder why we write these songs, 'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil. I'm only one call away from home.
See, that's my fault too. I thought it was only men, but I know women out there going through the same thing. But let's get going.
Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. I guess I'm just a little right and wrong. These back roads got me. These pills pretend to be my friend. I'm done for the last time. I'm lying to myself again. I always say that. Now I'm on my way back here somehow. I should know by now. I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If
Like
you
how they're all
ever
venting to
wonder
her.
why we write these songs, 'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil. I'm only one call away from home. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. I guess I'm just a little right and wrong.
Sounds really good. I like it.
Mistakes I made, I paid for them with cash. Walked a million miles on broken glass. I'm feeling like I'm fading. My heart's been slowly breaking. Might pop a pill and smoke and maybe drink. Talk to God and tell him what I think. At first he's gonna hate me, but eventually he'll say, I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner,
We've all been there, man.
searching
We've all
for
been there.
new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever wonder why we write these songs,
I'm glad I came across this song.
'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil. I'm only one call away from home. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. I guess I'm just a little right and wrong.
Really, man. I feel you. Damn, man. This song was really, really emotional, man. And I get it. We've all been there. I remember when I was in the military, since I was so far away and I wasn't used to it, uh, just being alone, it freaking sucked. You're always out there alone, drinking, sitting in your barracks room doing nothing. And, you contemplate these things, but you just gotta tough it out. You gotta get through it. Because in the end, it's, how would I put it? It's a temporary solution, like it's gonna affect a lot of people and after. And yeah. Jelly Roll, you earned yourself a new fan because this song was really good. For sure gonna listen to it more. It's going straight into my playlist. And yeah, if you guys like my reactions, just let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what else you guys want me to react to. I'll react to anything. Hip hop, rap, reggae, anything you want me to listen to, I'll react to it. And expect new uploads as well. So if you guys stumble across this reaction, make sure to subscribe, and check out my other videos. It'll help me out boost my videos and get it out to more people. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll follow you back. And yeah, peace.